Yo, what's up guys, Latrell, and in today's video I'm going to be doing my overdue review of the Elecder soundbar. So guys, let's get into it. So the first thing I could do is I could actually just, play the sound and let you hear for yourselves and tell you how it sounds, but I'm going to actually go around this and tell you everything about it, like the remote and everything like that. So we're going to go outside so we can get better lighting. So yeah, let me go ahead and do that. Alright guys, so I'm outside. It's cold out here, but I'm doing it for you too. So let's do it. But yeah, so here is the soundbar. I thought it would be a lot bigger when I first got it, but it's not actually that big. But yeah, so here's the soundbar right here. So we have the Elecder logo here at the bottom right, and that's pretty much it for the front. So let's go underneath. So we still don't have anything really. Underneath here's where we get some action. So I'm going to flip that right there, and right here, yeah, that's where everything is. So you see here we have some like just power warnings and everything like that. And right here we have an aux 1 in and an aux 2 in. We have a DC input right there, so that's actually where you give it power. And we have an optical in right there. And then we have some specs right there, like the model number and all that, and output power, yeah, whatever. And we have these two holes right here so you can go and mount it to a wall. Okay, so on the left here we have some buttons right here, so let me go ahead and show you that. So we have our power button right here, we have our volume up right here, we have our mode button so you can go from Bluetooth to aux in and all that, and we have our volume down right here. On the right side here we don't have anything, and at the top we still don't have anything. So yeah, that's it for the soundbar. And then we have these two stands right here, so that's actually what I use it for in the living room, so it can just like stand up instead of just sitting like that. And then let's look at the remote right here. So it says reset, power, and the mute button right here. You can turn down the bass here, you can turn up the bass, you can turn up the volume, you can turn down the volume, treble down, treble up, Bluetooth, optical, aux 2, aux 1, music, movie, and night. So these three right here is actually so you can better like tune your sound to what you're doing. And we have the Elecder logo down here, and I don't really know what this hole is for. And then the back here, this is actually where you go ahead and open it here, and that's where you put your two AAA batteries. So yeah, you can't recharge it unless you get some rechargeable batteries, but yeah, that's not what I was getting at. So yeah, that's it for the soundbar and the remote. So let's get back in the house and hook everything back up. Alright guys, so we're back where it's warm, and I'm going to show you a little bit of the remote, and then we're going to go ahead and play some music here. So yeah, this is the remote again. So if I press reset right here, this is actually going to put it in this like default position. Like I don't know where it's at right now, but it's not an aux 1. Then we got power here, so it's actually on right now, but now it's off, so you can see like a red light right here when it's off. And if I press it again, now it's on. And I can go ahead and also turn up the volume right here, so you can see a little red blinking light right there, like when you're pressing the button there. That's how you know it's turning up. And then when it doesn't blink anymore, you know it's all the way up. Same for volume down and bass up and all these other buttons. Then we have Bluetooth here, so you can actually listen to Bluetooth on here. So if we press this right here, then we should hear a sound. So there we go. So now I can go ahead and get my iPhone. I really don't know where I put it though. And I'm gonna just go ahead and just go into the settings here real quick, and I'm gonna go ahead and look for the soundbar. So here it is right there. So it says Elecder SB-115. So I'm gonna go ahead and tap that right there, and now it's connected. Some other things we have here is aux 1, so we can go to aux 1 like we saw in the back of the speaker there. So, the different ports there. Go to aux 2 and optical, but I don't know who uses optical these days. Music, so if I press music here, it will actually adjust to like the type of settings it recommends for when you're listening to music. Same for movie and night. I don't know what night is. But yeah, so I have it actually hooked up to my Amazon Alexa right here. So I don't listen to TV with this or anything like that. So it just has Alexa hooked up to this because the speaker right here sucks. So yeah, if I say Alexa play, because I already have a song playing here, so you can see here, there we go. So we have Cardi B right here. I actually love this song. So yeah, that's it right there. And yeah, that's it. So I'm gonna go ahead and actually put it in the Bluetooth mode because I don't want to get copyright, and I'm gonna play some like copyright free song here. So I'm gonna go Bluetooth right there. I'm gonna go ahead and pull up my iPhone again. We're gonna go to Chucky Beats. So guys, if you didn't hear this song already, please listen to it. It's a really good song. So it's actually called 300K. So just look up Chucky Beats and 300K and you should be able to find it. But we're gonna go ahead and play that here. We're gonna see how it sounds. So we got the sound right here. I got the volume all the way up here. So yeah, it's all the way up. And just listen to this for a second. So we're gonna wait for the bass drop and all that. That's really good. So guys, I recommend. So just listen to this for a second. So Chucky actually killed it with this song, guys. Like, this song goes so crazy. Like, it's actually kind of short, to be honest, which kind of sucks, but yeah, it's a really good song, so check this out. But yeah, so getting to the sound on here. So I would say it has some okay dynamic range. Like, it'll fill up the room pretty okay too, you know, but you know, it doesn't fill it up all the way, which is kind of a problem. But yeah, so it actually exceeds my expectations. Like, for the cheap price that this is, it's a really good soundbar. Like, the sound's good on here, the features are pretty good. It's like feature packed. So let's talk about the bass right now. So the bass, I think that's like what I'm a fan of. So the highs, the mids, the lows, they're all great. But the mids is like really where it shines. So yeah, I really like how the sound is on here. Build quality, you're not going to be expecting that much. I mean, it's just plastic and whatever, and it's going to probably be hanging up on your wall or something like that. So it doesn't really matter that much to me. So yeah, build quality, it's alright. It's not the best though. Features on here, I'd say the features on here, they're just like, I mean, like, just look at all the features on here, guys. Like, there's a lot of features on here, and it's actually kind of mind-blowing for the price on here. So yeah, the features on here, there we go. The size of it, also, that's another thing. The size on here, I thought it was gonna be a lot bigger than this, but apparently it's not here. So it's actually pretty small. We're gonna get on the wall eventually, I don't know when. But yeah, it doesn't take up much room at all, especially if you put it on the wall there, and it's gonna be completely out of the way. It's gonna look good, and overall, it's okay. And guys, that's pretty much all I have to say for this soundbar here. So what I say is worth the price? Yes, it is. So go ahead and pick it up on Amazon. I will leave a link down below. Thanks for watching, guys. Just ignore my cable management or lack thereof, and I'll see you in the next one, guys. Peace out.
And I pull up with my whip, cruising in the Beamer. Yeah, I don't pull up with your bitch, all this niggas stealing.